Hello, darling, and welcome back to Wonderland. Today, I'm taking you bargain shopping with me. First store I stopped by was Rue 21. I love going there for any of their cheap clearance deals or accessories. And the gal actually told me that tomorrow, on the 12th and the 13th of January, they are having an additional 30% off on top of their additional 25% off on all of their clearance items. So that is an extra 55% off on all of their clearance items. And I'm just showing you really quick some items that I was going through and picking out in the store. They had great deals on all of their sweaters. Their sweaters were like $9, and so then with that extra 55% off for tomorrow, these will be about like $4 to $5 each. Then I also picked out a bunch of jackets, and the jackets are running for $15, and with the extra 55% off, they should be about $7 tomorrow. I actually picked up a bunch of bras and little undies for gifts for other people, and these will be under just $1. In other wild deals I came across while shopping at this outlet mall, I came across PacSun, which they are closing their store altogether, so they're reducing items up to 90% off. On top of that, they're also offering an extra 20% off everything in store. So I picked up an Adidas hat, some accessories, but I'm really trying to hold out and wait for that entire store to go to 90% off before I buy anything else. Although this was a very quick bargain shop with me video, I plan to do a lot of these videos in the near future. If you like this video, show me by giving me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss out on another adventure. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this bargain shopping video, and I'll see you next time in Wonderland.